Hi there, Janet and Gareth in Otaru, Japan. We are on Sakaimachihondori shopping street. I think Dori means street though, so it might be redundant. And I'm gonna walk right out into the street real quick. And it's lined with shops, you know, souvenir shops. Well, let's go in this place and just see. Restaurants and ice cream places. A lot of ice cream places. So, banana purses. So let's go back out. Corn. Barbecued corn in a box. Is that weird? But lots of ice cream places. This is like the 6th one we've passed in just, 3 blocks. Restaurants, like I say.
This one specializes in
Wagyu sukiyaki set. This old building. So this building is an art museum now. And we're not going to go in there and record. I'm just going to come right back out here. And there's some street food for you. Ramen, $6.50. So that'd be $4, give or take. Lots of sushi places. Lots of other places. Stores. Looks like a toy store, souvenir. Sea urchin.
Okay.
Japan premium tuna. So this is a restaurant where you like pick it and I guess they cook it. Scallops. And it smells like fish. Pretty strongly. And they got that music blaring, so I'm gonna have to take off out of here. King crab. So we crossed the street here, so you could see this. Deep fried chicken. Octopus ball. We had some of those a couple days ago. Hi! Oh, there they are. Octopus balls. Ah, it smells great. Is that a pork monkey? Oh! Wagyu on a stick. Wagyu on a stick and cheese. Crab cream, pumpkin, potato, and cheese. Deep fried thingies. There's a fancy department store, jewelry store over there.
tiny milk cake.
On the window over there. Christina said look for milk cookies, and we found them. I wonder if milk cake is like a bigger version of a milk cookie, right? Holy mackerel. That looks like a lot of work. So we were here a few years ago. Of course, we took a tour over to Sapporo, but we walked around town a little bit. We never found this place. We never heard of it. And I'm saying this is one of the highlights of the cruise so far. I just like these old buildings and the shops and the restaurants and the Snoopy Village. Another ice cream, Snoopy Yaki. You know? Snoopy-yaki. So souvenirs, cookies or something, lots of Snoopy stuff. Snoopy cookies, purses, Snoopy soap, oh, I don't know. Creating the Snoopy stuff. Hey, we're inside the Music Box Museum. And it is full of music boxes and things like that. And if you just want the guts, you can buy the guts and they play different songs, Share the World, Hero, Chopstick. Some of them don't have names. Milk Tea, One Love. It's a fairly large place, and it has an upstairs, although I don't know what's upstairs. I'm gonna walk out of here a minute. So that you can see this and the Hello Kitty Cafe. Look at that.
Oh, thank you. This is it. It is a Hello Kitty store. This is it. Oh, you found your store. I was looking. Yes.
Port of Otaru. So there's our ship, the Carnival Luminosa. There's a mist in the air, almost like rain. Over there, if you can see, are car parts, and they keep bringing the front half of cars and putting them out there. And I see some doors and hoods and things, but no back halves, only the front half. You know, the engine, I guess. Let's get closer, 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 closer. There's the bridge. Our cabin is like the 7th window down, maybe, on the very bottom, not the portholes, but those windows. Subarus. An XV. And that's an old Outback. I'm not sure they call them Outbacks here. But here's the terminal, and we have to go through immigration once I get over here. And that lens is probably covered with water. I'm gonna really quickly dry it off.
There's Tyler.
Tyler the Creator. No, I know. That's the cruise director. Walking with the young lady. He did a lot of shopping. I don't know why the C and T aren't capitalized. I would have capitalized them, but whatever. So, we're gonna stop now.